discuss about the development of atomic energy in our India. So in this class we are going to discuss about the missile development. So when we are going to study about the missile development, first we want to study an important person, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is known as the father of Indian missiles or missile man of India. So why he is known as the father of Indian missiles or missile man of India? So in our India, which missiles are developed under the leadership of this APJ Abdul Kalam? So he contributed in this field many things to develop the missiles. That is why he is known as the missile man of India or father of Indian missiles. So he developed different missiles in our India. So one by one we will study. So the first missiles developed in our India, that is known as the Prithvi. It was developed in 1988. So the Prithvi 1, it is used to surface to surface. That is why this missile it is given to the army. The second missile, Prithvi 2, that it is given to the Air Force. And third missile, Prithvi 3, that it is given to the Navy. So according to the different purpose, the missiles are developed. That is why it is given to the different forces. And these Prithvi missiles are so powerful. They can carry 500 kg to 1000 kg nuclear weapons at the same time. And it can be the capacity to destroy 150 km to 300 km. That much powerful missiles we developed in our India. So the first missiles developed, that is Prithvi. The next one is Agni. That is the next missile developed in our India. So the mainly protection of the border areas. This missile was developed in our India. So secure the border areas of our country. So many issues was there between India and China, India and Pakistan during that time. That is why to secure the border of our country, these missiles are developed. So this Agni first already it was tested. So this missile have the range to 700 kilometer. 700 kilometer. And again Agni 2 also, Agni 3 also was produced. It is more powerful than this Agni first. So that is the development of this second missile. And third one, Akash and Nag. Two missiles are there. So in 1990, this Akash was developed. So it is, we can use from land to air. That is the speciality of this missile. And missile have the capacity to 720 kilometer. And it is going supersonic speed. So that is the speciality of this Akash missile. And the next one is that Nag. This Nag is mainly used for the destroying the tanks of the enemies. The war tanks are there. To destroy that one, it is using. And to express the power of this Nag, one term we are using, that is fire and forget. That means if we use this missile, so that full place totally it will destroy. That is why this term we are using, to fire and forget. That is the term we are using to show the power of these Nag missiles. So now India's military and India becomes secure due to the development of the missile technology or production of the missiles. So powerful missiles are developed by our Indian scientists under the leadership of this Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. That is why our country is now safe and secure. Even other countries also looking at India. India is developing the missiles by ourselves. Indigenous means made by our own scientists. That is the speciality of the missile development in our India. And next important point is space research. What is the speciality of the space research what is the development in the space research. In 1961, Indian National Committee for Space Research launched India's first research rocket from Tumba Equatorial Center, that is in Kerala, that is situated in Kerala. And afterwards, in 1969, first rocket made by our India, that is Rohini 75, that is launched in our India. That is rocket is made in our India. And again in 1975, the first satellite Aryabhatta was launched in our India, but that is with the help of Soviet Union. That is our Indian scientists also there. The same way we got the support from the Soviet Union to production of this satellite and all the things. And now this success of this rocket and satellite, it has increased the confidence of our Indian scientists. So they started to make indigenously the rockets and satellite in our India without the help of the foreign countries. So when we made the first time, the foreign countries, especially Soviet Union, is helping our India to produce the satellite as well as the rockets. Now, without the help of foreign countries, our scientists are able to make these rockets as well as satellite in our country. And the Indians are confident that they could acquire the technology for sending messages from Earth station and to access working of the satellites. So like that technology, they have enough confidence. We are able to do that one. Like other foreign countries or like other developed countries, our India also able to do such a kind of things. That is the speciality of the development of space in our India or space research in our India. So the next class we will study about which are the satellites or the rockets made by our India and what is the purpose and what is the speciality of that satellites. All these things the next class we will discuss. So just to go through the textbook about the missile development as well as the space research, and you can read it properly. So the next class will discuss the remaining portion of the lesson.